So how is Hysolate different than traditional sandboxing solutions? I want to give you three reasons why. So first, user experience. If you're thinking about traditional solutions like VMware Workstation, Hyper-V, or even Windows Sandbox, they really are meant for tech-savvy, geeky users like myself and less for the common enterprise employee. And to really bring virtualization to the masses, we wanted to make this as simple as it gets. And with Hysolate, that additional zone looks like another space on your desktop. You don't really need to understand what a virtual machine is. You don't need to understand anything about virtualization. Things just work. When you try to visit something that is risky and we want it to run in this isolated virtual machine, we'll automatically redirect such website access into the virtual machine without you needing to understand what should be running where. Same goes for documents you try to open or peripherals you plug in or applications you try to install. It just works in the right zone and looking like another desktop space. Second reason why Hysolate is different is around the extent of isolation we were able to achieve, covering every aspect of the virtual machine, including anti-key logging, anti-screenshotting, clipboard controls, networking controls, of course, the memory and the CPU, and everything else is isolated so that you can rest assured that the virtual machine and what happens in it stays isolated and doesn't get mixed with the rest of your corporate environment. So we're really taking security on virtual machines to the next level with fine-grained controls over all of those aspects. Third is the element of manageability and ease of deployment of Hysolate. It literally takes minutes to install because we're using the latest virtualization technology on Windows that is already there, and it doesn't require a lot of preparation upfront on the management side. We have turnkey solutions for specific use cases like risky access to websites or content, for accessing privileged assets, for extending zero trust into the endpoint. All of those use cases are baked so that you can just get running immediately and without needing to managing OS images, updating OS images, delivering 30 gigabytes of Windows images into the endpoint. It all just works instantly for your users and for the IT team. So these are the three main differences between Hysolate and traditional sandboxing solutions.